Hey guys, are you someone that's constantly suffering from chronic tightness in your upper traps that won't seem to relax no matter what you do, massage, stretch, and using lacrosse balls? Well, today I'm going to show you a different approach by actually strengthening them. I'm Jerikka, physiotherapist from SNU, your fitness and therapy experts. So oftentimes the upper traps are tight because of overcompensation due to weak lower traps. Secondly, the upper traps seem to always be turned on because the muscle fibers are constantly firing due to its weakness. So one test you can do to see if your lower traps are actually weak is to go on an incline bench. So Nick is going to lie down on an incline bench. His arms are going to be right in front of him, but supinated, so palms up. And you're going to retract your shoulder blades. And because we're on an incline bench, we're targeting the lower traps right over here. So we're going to hold this position for 30 seconds. And if Nick can't hold it for 30 seconds, for more than that, we're going to assume that his lower traps are weak because these muscles are being isolated. Some things you'll see are some shaking, some quivering, or his arms are going to fall. So it might seem like a crazy idea to strengthen a muscle that's already turned on and tight. However, by stretching it, massaging it, using lacrosse balls, that's only a temporary fix. By strengthening it, like any other muscle in the body, that's going to fix the problem, make the muscle work properly, and stop it from getting tight in the first place. So the first exercise we're going to do is strengthening the lower traps. We're going to use a regular lat pull down machine, and we're not going to go too heavy. We're going to start at 50 pounds. We're going to grab the bar, and instead of pulling it down to your chest, we're going to lock our elbows, and we're going to bring our shoulder blades down. And make sure that we're squeezing our shoulder blades inwards and downwards. So there's not much movement going on, but making sure that we're targeting our lower trap muscles. So each time you pull down, we're going to hold for 3 seconds, and we're going to aim for 3 sets of 12 reps. So the second exercise is to strengthen the upper traps. We're going to do a regular shrug, however modify it. Take a set of dumbbells. Again, they don't have to be too heavy. We're going to abduct the arm about 30 degrees, bend the elbows a little bit, so this targets the upper traps a little bit more, and we're going to shrug upwards. So we're going to elevate the scapula. So you're going to hold this for 3 seconds, relax, and we're going to do, again, 3 sets of 12 reps. So we're constantly stretching muscles, and it doesn't seem to work. They keep on getting tight, and we're going through this cycle over and over again. So maybe it's time we take a different approach and strengthen the muscles to make them more resilient for everyday life activities. So remember, we're not going too heavy with the weights because these are postural muscles. We're doing lighter weights, more reps, working more for endurance. I'm Jerikka, physiotherapist from SNU, and remember, you're only one strategy away from crushing your fitness goals.